Etsy marketplace is becoming more competitive nowadays. With millions of sellers, you can easily get lost. But don't worry, just look at the top sellers. Why they easily rank on Etsy? What is the secret? Well, the only secret is each of them has effective strategies. So, to win the war, you need a plan. You need strategies. Well, the good news is you have come to the right place. Hello, it's a seller. This is Shakhwat from Ecom Clips, and in this video, I am going to give you some top strategies that will help you to achieve your goals. These strategies are easy to implement and will make a significant impact on your success. So, let's dive into the video. There is a thin line between the toppers and the failures. The proper strategy. One who can conduct good strategies are the winner, but who don't are the losers. We are not going to follow the loser step, right? Nobody does. Okay, let's talk about the strategies that the toppers follow. Let's follow their footprints. Well, the first strategy is know your product like your best friend. Well, top sellers aren't just selling a product, they are selling an experience. They know that the stuffs they make are more than just things. They represent a solution, a lifestyle, a dream. Think about it. You are selling a cozy knit scarf. Actually, you are selling warmth and comfort. Are you selling handmade soap? No, man. You are selling self-care and a luxurious bathroom experience. Anyway, understanding the deeper meaning behind your product allows you to connect with customer on an emotional level. The more you know your product from the creation process to its ideal users, the more effectively you can communicate its value and spark a desire to own it. Did I mention that successful sellers try to create experience products? Let's talk about the heart of your Etsy shop, your products. Now, Etsy might seem like land of opportunity, but here's the reality. Exceptional products are likely to success. Why? Because with tons of shops out there, competition is so tough. People want unique, made items that solve a problem or enhance their lives. Here is the catch. It's simple to put some ideas together and say, this look good. However, have you taken a look back to and compared items with other options available? You will find that the best sellers have exceptional products. Not necessarily they generate new ideas that are out of the box. They just present the same common product with different presentation in a very unique way. That's what makes them special. That's why a product seems a bit different than others. Ever think of that? Why are you choosing Cadbury chocolate over other local chocolate brands, even though both are selling chocolate? The reason is that Cadbury often use emotional storylining in their advertising to create connections with their customers. Their campaigns frequently evoke feelings of joy, nostalgia, and happiness, aligning with the idea of chocolate as a treat that brings people together. And that's why people get attached. Well, the next thing is strategy number 1.5, the value proposition. This is the secret weapon. Think of it as your product's first impression in search result. A 9 photo paired with a competitive price is what grabs people's attention. And that's what successful sellers do. Remember, no matter how long you have been creating, there's always room for improvement. Be honest with yourself. Does your product truly stand out? Take a fresh look, analyze your competition, and refine your offering. Exceptional products are the foundation for building a thriving Etsy shop. Strategy number 2, trial and error. Keep pushing your boundaries. Keep pushing your boundaries. We are talking about testing. Just like science class, gotta keep experimenting with your shop. Stop doing the same old, because if you are not moving forward, you are falling behind. To lower to failure rate, keep testing and try new things. Don't get too comfortable, especially if you have a new shop. Consistently find a way to enhance your presentation. This not only helps you to become a market leader, but also stay there. Staying at the top is hard because others notice and try to outdo you. So keep pushing and evolving. Try different marketing approach and present your products in new ways. For example, if you sell gift boxes, experiment with different colors or arrangement. Don't stick to just one way of doing things. Keep trying new ideas to see what works best for your customers. Strategy number 3, the power of connection. It's all about building genuine relationship in the age of online shopping. It's easy to forget the human connection. But top Etsy sellers know that people buy from people they trust and connect with. Here's how you can build up those connections. Answer quickly and carefully to messages and questions. Offer personalized touches like handwritten thank you notes or exclusive discounts. Be transparent about your process, materials, and turnaround times. Engage with your audience with social media, answer questions, and participate in conversation. By building trust and rapport, you are not just creating customers. You are creating fans who will come back for more and recommend your shop to others. Remember, Etsy is a community and building up those connections is key to long-term success. Number 4, chase those bestsellers. There is a saying that good artists create and great artists steal. Business is also an art form, and you are an artist too. Like all artists, you too have a tendency to become great, right? But in that case, you don't have to steal anything from anyone. Rather, you have to copy and follow those bestsellers who are the top. One of the most important strategies is to go after the best-selling products. I mean, we go to various online marketplaces and find the best-selling listings, and then we take inspiration from those listings. We create similar products but with a few changes, just enough to make it different. We are not stealing anything. We are just taking inspiration like great artists. Strategy number 5, optimizing your listing for search, SEO. This is one of the most important part that most do not understand and hence they never succeeded in selling their product. A key strategy I use for Etsy SEO is doing depth keyword research. This means finding the best search terms customers use so that your product can rank well in Etsy searches. Well, you need to optimize your listing on Etsy. For example, imagine keywords like gift for her are like little flags for your search engine. You want to include these relevant keywords in your listing titles, description, and text. This helps people find your products when they search for those forms. But there's a key point. Don't stuff your listing with keywords unnaturally. Focus on writing clear and informative description that mention relevant keywords where they make sense. This creates consistency across your shop. Oh, come on. How can I forget to mention that the product photo is important? Well, strategy number 5.5, I think, take eye-catching product photos. This is super duper important. Why? Let's say you sell great products but photos are not up to the mark. What do you think? If you ask me, I would say I will not buy your product. Why? Because I don't like it. You might wonder, how can you not like my products if you haven't even brought them? Well, I saw the product photos and I don't like it. It is better to look good than feel good. So you have to create eye-catching product photos. Now another thing you will want to do is use the same mockups for every single listing. This way everything looks like it belongs together. I don't want to see any variations or testing with different mockups. Let's keep it uniform. Think of your shop like a store window. You want everything look organized and put together, right? This means using the same kind of background images for all your products. Imagine showing off different clothes on a clothesline, a shelf, or a model. Pick one clothesline, style and stick with for all your products. This creates a sense of unity and professionalism in your shop. Well, for retail purpose, let's repeat what I told you about the strategies. You need to know your product like your best friend, experiment with your products. Try to build better connection with your customers, follow the path of the top sellers, optimize your listing for SEO, and most important thing is never lose hope. Remember, success doesn't come overnight. Alright, we are done for today, so I guess you got the idea. As an Etsy seller, you should follow these strategies. We do have more resources like this. You can visit our website www.ecomclips.com, which has lots of cool things you want to check out to make sure you level up your e-commerce strategies in 2024. And if you want more help, we can always help you out. We are a full-service e-commerce agency with more than 10 years of experience. Currently, we have more than 300 e-commerce experts. Together, we helped and have been managing thousands of bestseller ranked products. You can get a same-day free appointment and talk to us about how you can use these strategies along with 50 other wonderful strategies as well to level up your account. So check out all these resources or give us a call today. We can talk to you to solve your queries. So thanks for tuning in today. We will catch you in the next one. Till then, stay safe.